I've just undertaken a new role with the company of diversity champion. So I'm really excited about this new role because diversity is really important to me, not just as a dancer who's black, but as a woman, as someone coming from a different culture. And I didn't go to a traditional route to get to this company. I started at my local dance school and I was dancing in Bermuda and then came over here to Wales as an associate, and then they gave me an apprenticeship and I've been in the company ever since, and that was 2012.
Okay. So then, when the break...
now I'm a guest artist with the company. I have a little baby, and so I'm a single mother as well. So I have a lot of elements of diversity in my life. And so for me, it's so important to make the arts diverse, and for me specifically dance, because I'm a dancer. Because if not, people miss out on it. You know, if people don't come from a lot of money in their background, then they feel like maybe dance is for someone who's rich or has a lot of money. Or if you're a different skin color, you feel like it's for someone who's white, or, you know. So I really want to show the world, specifically Newport as we start, that dance is for everyone, no matter what language you speak, what culture you're from, what color you are, even the different shapes. In this company, we're a ballet company who love to do things differently. We have a duets program that's amazing. It's going to be nationwide, and we reach just a wide array of children of all colors, ethnicities, of all languages. And so it's amazing to see that program. And that's really starting from the bottom to raise up dancers to be a part of the company. And so that's amazing. We're also diverse in our movement. We're doing Welsh clog dancing and Romeo and Juliet, and so we're taking a bit of that culture into ballet. And so we're not just doing really robotic classical ballet, but we're doing really fluid classical ballet and really contemporary movements, and then Welsh clogging. So we're even diverse in our movement at this company. So I'm so excited about this new role as a diversity champion, because it's something I'm passionate about, something that's close to my heart, and then I get to do it at a company that I love.